Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel where we put the BU in beautiful. Today I'm showing you my full length workout. I am working on glutes, upper body, as well as abs. I work out abs every exercise. I'm starting off with glutes. Now for my glutes I did RDLs and I do a cable pull exercise at the end of this video. I'm going all the way down with those weights. As you can see, it's touching my ankles. The weights are hugging close to my leg. And as I'm coming up, I'm making sure that I clench my butt cheeks. Now, this exercise is great because it lifts your butt as well as grows your butt. So it is a staple I highly recommend. I'm using 30-pound weight. Okay, so now I'm jumping into upper body. I'm doing these lateral raises. This primarily works out your shoulders, but I'm also going to include the other muscles that you utilize while doing this exercise. This is a killer, so I highly recommend this set. So you will see me just jumping from muscle to muscle during this exercise. I like to keep myself busy. I do not like too much resting time. So you'll see me jumping from glutes to upper body, abs, back to glutes. That's just what I do. Just trust the process. Of course, you need a water break. You want to make sure that throughout your sets, throughout your workout, you are staying hydrated, okay? Make sure that you're taking time to catch your breath, regain your strength. That way you can jump back in and give each set your all. So now I'm going to do tricep kickbacks. These are super amazing. I'm still using the 5 pound weight. I've lost so much weight recently by changing my diet. And this is one of the muscles that I have been neglecting. This is super important if you want to get rid of bat wings, people. Okay, we do not want to fly away. So I am doing 20 reps of this because, again, I've neglected this muscle. My bad. And May is my birthday. We want to be fly free, child. The only thing I want to fly on is a plane, okay? Period. And you better not be thinking this is too much. Why is she still working out? Because, baby, this is how you get an hourglass figure. This is what it takes. You can't just do 2 sets of something, 10 reps, and then leave the gym and go to Wendy's. No, you have to spend some time investing in yourself. Give yourself at least an hour, 30 minutes, hour, 30 minutes to just really take your time and invest in your body. We're doing this the natural way. We're not laying down on a table, okay, and getting butchered. No. So this takes time, okay? So don't complain. Take notes. Do what I do, period. Now we are jumping into one of my favorite ab exercises. This is the oblique extension, and it's working out your side abs. This is super important if you want a snatched waist. We want to get rid of those love handles. I recommend 30-pound weight, but do what you're most comfortable with and then challenge yourself. Do 12 to 15 reps, 3 sets. Make sure that you're hitting each side. Make sure that when you are bending over that you're going as far down as possible before coming up. Do not cheat yourself. Treat yourself. Go far down and come up. All right now. Now, I truly love cable pulls to target abs. It is just super amazing. Just do what I'm doing, okay? Make sure that as you're coming up that you are squeezing in your abs. I'm using 17.5 weight. This burn is super intense, so again, I highly recommend this to target your core. This exercise helps you get super snatched, and I typically feel this primarily in my upper abs. Now I'm trying to tell y'all this burn is intense. You're about to see exactly what I'm talking about. 3, 2, 1. Look at me. Done. I told y'all. Get with it. Woo child. So now, of course, you know I have to target glutes again because it's my favorite. I am doing some cable deadlifts. 37.5 weight. Go down as far as you can, and as you're coming up, make sure that you're clenching your butt cheeks. That way you can feel that intense burn, optimize that lift, as well as grow that glute, child. This is super awesome. Again, this is for my ladies who want a bigger booty and want that joint to be lifted as well. So I highly recommend. And this is my last exercise of the workout, I promise. I did end with 30 minutes of cardio, but I didn't want this video to be super long. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you're sticking to your fitness goals, that you're exercising at least 4 to 5 days out of the week. Make sure that you are sticking to your nutrition goals. If you haven't done so already, check out my meal prep videos so that you can get super snatched like me, and we can just be great together and ride off into the sunset. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you next time.